Okay, this is the video for EGT 225. This is going to be the piping project along with vessel elevation orientation details and general notes. What we're looking here for the first sheet is going to be your tank elevation with all the dimensions and the general notes. The only thing I want you to change on this is probably make the text and the general note box about 2/3 this size, and that'll give you more room to put your tank drawing here. So this is what I'm looking for the elevation. Orientation is going to look like this. Make sure you got all your center lines, all your nozzles, and again, with the handout I give you, you're going to add this 12-inch flange here, and later we're going to rotate it down 90 degrees, so you'll see that. You got your nozzle schedule here. Moving on, I'm going to go to the detail sheet of the lifting lugs and the hold down lugs here. So put all of these on one sheet. Sheet 4. These next sheets you can skip, or you can go ahead and finish them up, but put these in the front here. This is going to be your pipe supports along with the structural steel and the saddles. So this will be sheet number 4. And again, here's your concrete footing with your notes. Try to zoom in on here where you can get a look. And again, all of these are on the handout sheet that I gave you. Alright, this is there are 3 different sheets for the isometric drawing that you will convert to orthographic. And here's the vessel that you completed. So drop that tank in, connect all 3 pipe sheets together, and this is going to be your overall plan view of the project. And again, we can see the supports. Later we'll get to that, but you're going to come in and put these supports in here, and also your field wells, you'll see those located here, and your views. There's A, B, C, D, E, F, and G elevation views that you're going to use. Okay? The first isometric plan view looks like this, and it's got 3 views, A, B, and C on it. And it's got your supports. So this is what I'm looking for on the first plan view. Second plan view, it's like this. Take a look at your dimensions, make sure you got all of the notes, and you got all of your section views like that. Okay, and the last one, sheet 9, same thing. And again, these 3 plan views are all put together here. Alright? Then you're going to drop back and do your elevations. For sheet 1, you have 3 elevations, A, B, and C. Here's your elevation of your tank. You can just drag that in, drop it in, create you a concrete pad. Here, draw your elevations in. Remember, we start at 20 feet, go up to 33, down to 27, and again back to 20. Okay? Sheet 2, you just put 1 elevation in, view DD, just like this. Elevation sheet 12, E, F, and G. Okay? Once you have all of that, you're going to start your spool drawings. And pretty much you can go back to your, let's look at first one. This is the first spool coming off of the tank. We have a valve here that we don't show, and it bolts directly to the flange coming off of the vessel. So here's your first piece with a field joint here. So this would be the first spool drawing that the shop would make that would be sent to the field to be put together, okay? Alright. And again, you don't have to redraw this, just go back to your first elevation sheet, copy the piece that you need, bring it in here and drop it in. Same thing with the next piece, sheet 14. Okay, we have the tank, we have the elbow that comes up. Here's your mark number 2. Okay, let's go to sheet 3. You're just going to continue down the line. Sheet 4, a mark 4, sheet 16, looks like this. Sheet 17, mark 5. Sheet 18, mark 6. Mark 7, sheet 19. Mark 8, sheet 20. Again, everything notes field wells. Sheet 21, mark 9. Sheet 22, mark 10. Make sure you're putting your match alignments here. Sheet 23, mark 11. Sheet 24. It's 25. Sheet 26. You got a special teed in joint here. Sheet 27, mark 15. So just make everything just like you see it on these sheets. Sheet 28, 16. Sheet 29, mark 17. Sheet 30, mark 18. Sheet 31, mark 19. Sheet 32, mark 20. Got a teed in joint. Make sure you put that blind flange here. Your clean out note. Okay. Sheet 33, mark 21. Sheet 34, mark 22. Got another clean out with a blind flange. I'd make this center line equal. See how the center line ends here? Pretty much these drawings are about 95%, 98% correct. There'll be a few things we have to tweak. That would be one of them. Both of these center lines need to stick out the same on both sides. So little things like that we can take care of, no problem. Sheet 35, mark 23. Sheet 36, mark 24. Sheet 37, mark 25. And last, mark 26, sheet 38. Okay, so put all these together in one package, and that will complete the project. Just refer back to this video if you have any problems.